Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 12 Pro. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release. Keep holding. Let go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and drop a like on this. Comment down below if this video has helped you out as well. All the comments I appreciate, so if you guys say thanks, I would appreciate it. And there you guys go. Your 12 has been resetted.